Yebeda wase na ya ma wakwa aba e de aba J Love TV so. And then nyumre nyame adom yenya one very prominent person on the internet. Ofiri Doma East ahinkuro yɛfrɛ hɔ wamfie. Waba yɛ nkyɛn sɛ yɛne ne bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ afa adwuma bi a ɔredi wɔ online. Ɛnyɛ obiara sɛ His Excellency Kauda Ibn Ahmed yɛfrɛ no the online president. Ɔno na waba sɛ yɛne ne bɛdi nkɔmmɔ afa nnwumadie bi a ɔyɛ de aboa yɛn a yɛusi internet no ɛne schoolfoɔ a yɛwɔ Ghana. Nti gyemmerɛ na hwɛ video yi na enim sɛ nkɔ awie no na wasua biribi afiri mu. Alright. So wohwɛ yɛ na. Now this is the first time na wohwɛ yɛ video. Ayɛbɛsrɛ na wa subscribe. Subscribe ne yɛ saa adeɛ kɔkɔɔ na atwerɛ a SD kan sɛ wontumi mmɔ subscribe. Wohwɛ kɔkɔɔ bi rectangle kɔkɔɔ bi SUB ne nneɛma bi tɔtɔ so. Wo de fa nsɛ mia so. Wo mia so wie a adɔma bi bɛba abɛtɔ ne nkyɛn hɔ na wa mia adɔma no so. Subscribe no yɛ a ɛma wo bɛka J Love TV abusuakuo no ho. Na wo bɛka ho wie na wo mia adɔma no so. Atɛn bi a yɛde video bɛto hɔ no ɛbɛma wo hu. Wonim sɛ YouTube ne Facebook yɛma wo information, education and entertainment. Nti wo pɛ saa nneɛma wei bi afiri J Love TV hɔ a bɛka abusuakuo no ho by following us on Facebook and subscribing to our channel on YouTube. Na yɛma abusua no nyɛ kɛse na adwuma no nkɔ so. Yɛda was alright. Okay, so yɛnkɔ digital first. Digital first. Yɛnim sɛ woyɛ online president, digital no deɛ yɛ normal. But what is it about? Overview of digital first.
Digital first, the self-employment guide for digital citizens.
All right.
Now, the digital citizens say we spend most of your time online. Which of course, any youth now yeah. Your life online. So there is this company in US, we are social. They are normally quarterly statistics of online. Until 1995, now we are here. 1% per work online.
Okay.
Internet access.
Okay.
1995, the CIA can say 66% of the world.
Wow.
Online. 1995.
65 Abeka.
I to now 66% of world population online.
Wow.
Offer the youth to say Ghana, the youth, we spend about 4 hours a day online. That's the average.
Okay.
The average time we spend. Now, multiply the core in terms of in a month. How many hours we are spending, and say what can I say spending hours we not say at the end of the month, and Timon far in some 100 cities, 300 cities, but so be a man. The meaning say it's a wasted hours. So that is what with little experience I have on the internet, which I've been there for about 10, 12 years now.
Okay.
The same internet in what I mean to me.
Wow.
That is how my work is. There has to be internet. I'll be able to. I work for people in US, I work for people in UK. Wow. And across others in Philippines.
Wow.
For example,
we're international man.
That is the power of the internet.
Yeah.
One advantage war say Africa, your costs. You charge from.
Okay.
And once you have the skills, a from person be wire.
Okay.
That's all because our rates is
good for them.
And my purpose in say letting you know hours now we're spending online, business side of it.
Okay.
That is what the book is about.
Okay.
Starting from idea, what are the things you can do online, how to do it, how to market it, until say we shall get revenue from that. So basically, that is it. Setting up online business.
Wow.
That's what the book is.
Wow. Until then, the show could answer your book.
And Thursday, I'm improving that data of hours I spending online. I was kind of shocked. I say I spend hours online, but now we say average. I spend 4 hours. 4 hours a day. There's one woman some basic graphic designs. One night $10.
Wow.
One night $10. And then also crowd. I don't who say was see me.
Ah.
I only say me who jump.
Wow.
Like that is any idea to say Orani estate, real estate. They are not opposed to article.
Okay.
Image via any
article in the beko.
It's a intensive graphic design. You find image, then you put a title on it, then you find that so what we hours I was spending and hours in that.
Or the beauty okay.
So once I began to realize these things, I realized no, there are better ways we can use your time now spend it online because any option you forever use it there.
Yeah.
It is when I say there are benefits you are getting, I think that will help. And I'm compile it. Definitely 12 years experience, and I'm compiling it into a book. About as digital first.
Wow. Inti, yeah. Sorry, a Facebook, you know what's happening. Now, for video, I will YouTube and Kwana ya. She said, "Oh, hear me, dear. Now I subscribe. I be J Love TV. I will see a quick win. She book in so na kind. Now next time, over here, and yes, I will hear keke. But Ubin so be here with dear, and now Ubin so benyam faso, owns benyam faso, every will be ho because of sa video ya war shame, and ne sa book ya wokotoy. All right, now the next one here, step by step guide to how to create PayPal account in Ghana. PayPal in Ghana. Aden. Then about three months I was book about why I be fast so a PayPal account in Ghana.
Don't say PayPal a payment system.
Yeah.
Within the Sunday scam will be within the Sunday scam out.
Yeah.
Now, Yama PayPal are popular and say easy to use.
Yeah.
Say for example, say online on be here card. What card number, what date, what CCV. But with the PayPal there, you email in one over here.
Yeah.
So it makes it secure.
Yeah.
And it's used across the world. But for about 4 countries in Africa, and PayPal and 54 countries now. Yes, unfortunately,
Ghana is one over.
Unfortunately, Ghana I can't win. But I never had the intention of doing it until somewhere February this year.
Okay.
February. And at the moment will be because we US I also America. Now I'll see on Farm World Remit. Because he has to open another account there and I'll pay PayPal
for free.
Find a way and get PayPal. And Madam Fubia or UK make a share and say Jack and man send him my way.
Like I was so mammy.
I see commission 20%.
Hey, when you go for 10%.
But this can be a far account or no 20% of it as commission. And that aside, say the money is coming in dollars.
Yeah.
No,
the
transfer in cedis. Also, there is exchange rate of 5 cedi to $1. As at February, now 5 cedi 70 pesos. And to know part in exchange rate now.
Oh, no, I'll peg it. David, possible.
It's a one of the research and say okay. Offer PayPal or more terms and conditions now. There's that flexibility in their terms and conditions. And I'm a creative account.
Okay.
And make cooperative bank account a new one and I'm here connection and for this and this. So far, payments via the I'm receiving in PayPal, it passes through that account.
Juma come.
Okay.
In case Obi on to me kind book, no, but when he has with your PayPal, no person contact you. charge any saying and then you who in chambers
100 cities.
Okay.
But Utobook na 50 cities.
Okay.
But Utobook no can still there are portions you need clarification.
I know they free consultation.
Yeah, that one is free.
Okay, wow. Ti wa down for no mum na eti a na so ma wo ko ye hwehwemu se wa wo bebie wo de.
Absolutely. And you know I'm funny today. That is just how I am.
Okay.
Everything I made, basically like challenge that I
big. All right.
I think it's about 4 days in a year or so. The channel on Facebook said my story be 2022.
Yeah.
You will love it. Another challenge you will love that story.
All right. Okay. Wow, we are waiting.
It's mostly challenges. You know, I pick challenge.
Okay.
And I research into it. Then it comes a success.
All right.
That is basically how I've been doing.
Okay. All right. So as online president, a future ben out there, ma, with citizens, as we are ending this conversation.
One thing I'll always tell the youth is the concept of say get rich overnight. It doesn't exist.
Okay.
You can't get rich overnight. Offline, you cannot get rich overnight. Don't expect it online.
Okay.
For example, the book on digital first. You have to have an idea what skills are with media. My guidelines. If you are book na unimi trade. If you are enyom na unimi to. Asana unimi sa. Fitting, ade palm. You have to have a skills offline. So once you have that, then the book takes you on how to do online.
Okay.
The idea say, Oko online, you'll be rich overnight. It doesn't exist. That is where a lot of us get scammed.
Yeah.
Contacting you, try to get you rich overnight. No, we should ignore those things.
Okay.
Now, despite these challenges, like I said earlier, you need option for online.
Yeah.
You need option. So we should get involved. But we shouldn't spend a lot of these hours doing things that will not benefit us.
Yeah.
Once, that is why I keep sharing it on Facebook and YouTube. All my platforms, you realize I share things you can do practically as a youth.
Okay.
Secondary school or tertiary that you'll be able to do. So once you connect me online, all those things are there, I share it.
Okay. All right. His Excellency. Yeah, that was for your time. The whole president of the Waves of Ghana, Awenyamre Amaji Live TV. Yeah, that was a part. So we here now. This is the first time now we share a video. I best say now subscribing. Subscribing here. Sa adia kokko na ya twira SD kan say wuntime mo subscriber. We share kokobi rectangle kokobi SUB ne nyama bi toto aso we dey fa nsem mi aso wo mi aso wi a adoma bi be ba beto ne nchen ho na wa mi adoma no so subscribe no ya e ma wo be kan Live TV abusuakuo no ho na wo be kan ho wi na wo mi adoma no so atem bia e di video beto ho no e be mo wa hu unim say YouTube ne Facebook ye ma wo information education and entertainment nti wo pesa ne ma we bi afri Live TV ho a Beka Busiakuo no ho by following us on Facebook and subscribing to our channel on YouTube. Na ye ma busua ne nye kese na adwuma ne nkoso. Ye da wase se wa gymre na wa hwe nkomodie. Nyame nhyira ye nyina. Bye bye.